morning, afternoon. Thank you, everyone. So we decided to do a burnout of the Mustang. It's a celebration of our small achievement. We're here, there's a pad, and everything's disconnected. Let's tip it in. What happened?
What happened?
Oh, I think I sent a little bit too hard there, mate. Just a little. We got a puncture repair kit. Hey there, bud. Nah, not feeling good. Oh, yeah, not feeling well after that. got me, holy dolly. I ordered it bloody Uber. Big thank you to everyone for 7,000 subs. We did a burnout, we got excited, we all went for a bit of a drift. So thank you for that. Thank you for watching this video. Also, a couple of things to note down. 17th, 18th of September, in the next, I think, 3 weeks, we're heading down to Rayleigh Raceway again for the final round, round 3 of the Minifab Drift Series. I'm hoping we get a bit of a better result, but we'll see what happens. I think me and Nick are actually both going to share the drift car. So we'll see what happens. So come out, check that out. We're bringing a ton of merch out for that. Support that. We'll see you down there. Thank you all. The Zoku wagon is coming back, and I know a lot of people are keen to see it finish. It's the final, basically it's final little piece to the thing until it's gone. Now I know a lot of people are going to be happy that it's gone. A few people watch right now, you'll be like, thank goodness I don't want to see this piece of crap anymore. But however, this has been one of our funnest cars we have had. So it's back running, we've sorted out a few things, and last time it's going to happen, so look out for that. It's coming very soon. You guys are going to love it. We are going to go to the next level with some sending. Also, in the next few weeks, we'll be launching our members only. So if you want to join that, you'll be able to join that. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of things. Basically, for this whole aspect of the membership stuff, we are going to be giving away, we're going to start off with just basic stickers, some clothing, and then our ultimate goal will be to work out and give away some ready-built drift cars so you and your friends can learn to drift together and even support track stuff. So if you want to get involved around that, we're going to be making that happen because no one else is. So let's do that. Enjoy, support it. Thank you. Peace out.